So today we're going to talk about our front bumper load. This is a new thing in the last couple of years that we've changed. We went to a 2 donut roll system. Nozzle is going to be positioned in the front, 50 foot, 50 foot. So Jaden, our firefighter today, is going to come up. He's going to release the buckle. He's simply going to grab the first coupling that he sees and the bail. And he's going to walk away. He wants to stay facing forward so he can see the direction that he's going. The hose should naturally flake out without a problem. He should have a good working 50 feet once he gets there. Order. All right, so now we're going to talk about rolling the 2 donut rolls for the front bumper line. This is a crucial part that often gets missed. So we've done some relabeling to make sure that these are all correct. These labels will vary dependent on what apparatus it's on. So if you can see here, we're going to start with this closest one to me. We have male on the bottom of both. The male is always going to be on the bottom with the female laying on top. This one that they're going to start rolling, you're going to notice a white line at the end. Down here, we're no longer going to mark any line at the end of the 2 couplings. That mark is not necessary if we mark the proper length of the fold. So if we walk down here, these guys are going to start rolling this first line. You're going to see the white line right here. We want that on the outside so you can see that, visibly see that. That's where you're going to start your roll. We're going to roll this as tight as we possibly can. Our compartment is pretty tight, so this hose has to fit in there just perfect. So as he rolls, Aubert's going to pull tight on the top. That's going to pull any slack out so that line remains pretty tight. All right, let's roll the second one, same way. The only difference you'll notice is the distance here, but we won't pay attention to that. What we need to focus on is our white line at the end where we're going to start rolling. Good. So you notice that these end up almost the same. That's going to be our nozzle side. So our nozzle will go on this male. This will be the female side, or the supply side. So let's load the back side first. And when we position this, we want our male coupling on the top. That's going to be our handle for when we deploy this. So now we're going to add our next one, and it's going to go opposite. That way these 2 couplings meet up perfectly. So again, we want to roll this to where these 2 couplings connect. Our nozzle goes down here. Finally, we want to address it the best we can to make it look nice and neat and stays in position. So we roll these opposite direction, keeping the coupling on top. So when we do deploy this back roll will come out because this line is going underneath. Same with this. As we pull this, it pulls the whole donut roll out.